This is Jonas von Essen, a student at Chalmers University of Technology, Sweden, and a two-time world champion in memory. He can memorize 26 decks of cards in an hour and recite pi to over 50,000 places. Most of us can probably remember 3.14, but what comes after that?
Pi is roughly equal to
3.1415926535897. So, how does he do this?
Well, I use memory techniques, and they are really the base of all of this. I absolutely couldn't do this without these techniques. And the principal idea with those is that you convert everything that you want to memorize into images somehow, because images have proven to stick very well to the brain, and especially if you learn how to use them and how to combine them, how to associate them to each other.
Jonas has been showing off his skills on TV shows all over the world.
I convert every three-digit number into an image, and there are several ways of doing this, but I'm using it's like a small alphabet, but with numbers instead of letters. So each digit between 0 and 9 has a sound to it, and then you can sort of read lines of numbers as words, and then you can picture these words as images. The first 3, 1, 4, 1, becomes tårta with this letter or digit alphabet, and tårta is Swedish for cake. So the first thing that happens is that I just see a gigantic cake outside of my door, and then the next thing is 592, and that's a ghost. So there's a ghost coming up of this cake, like out of this cake, and then 653, it's a helmet. So this ghost is wearing a helmet, and that's like the first 9 digits in one scene, like right outside the door. And then then it continues with 3 new images put together in the next location, and then 3 new and new, so 9 digits at each spot along the way.
And he has big plans for the future.
Right now I'm focusing mostly on this pi decimals, because it's been more fun than I thought, and I'm continually adding more decimals, and my aim is to maybe sometime next year try to beat the world record. So the current world record is 70,030 digits, but I think that it's not so far away from 100,000, which is quite a nice limit to try to pass. So that's where I'm aiming, and we'll see if it works. 3, 3, 8, 3, 2, 7, 9, 5, 0, 2, 8, 8, 4, 1, 9, 7, 1, 6, 9.